Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to talk about Amp Research Bed Extender HD, which is kind of a rounded one here. Let's go ahead and take a look. We put it in this new RAM here. Now, we did the gentleman's cover last week, and we just did his bed extender today, so let's go ahead and take a good look at it. Just roll this out here. Now, the first thing you'll notice is when it's in here, you can use it to hold your groceries and keep things, from moving around, because it does work as a nice little cargo divider. And of course, now if you want to put something big in your bed and you need that extra space, well, you just kind of reach over and grab it. Flips right over here. And as you see, this got a little locking mechanism here. What does that go? Well, that's going to go right in there and locks into place. It just keeps it when you're driving down the road. You don't have to worry about bumps moving your bed extender. Again, you just do both sides here, as you can see here. Now, let's go ahead. I'm going to go over a few little issues we had when we're putting this on here. Now, I've been doing a lot of bed extenders, and mostly we do a lot of folding covers. Now, this gentleman had the new Revolver X4, and one of the things we had a problem with, see that little guy right here? This is the locking mechanism. Well, that stuck out really far, which prevented this from flipping. Now, luckily, Amp Research, in their wisdom, said, well, we have bed extenders here that have these little fellas here. So this is a separate thing we had to purchase from Amp, and basically all it did is just move this out a little further so you now clear this. And now when I see cleared, I mean barely cleared, to be honest with you. When I go to close this thing, it's like right there. Let's see if I can kind of show you here and see how close that sucker is. I mean, she's just barely clearing, but she's clearing. So she is working. A little close for my personal comfort, but it does work the way it's supposed to work. And again, this is a great product. If you want to put some big items in, this gentleman does use this truck as a truck. As you can see, he's got some stuff in there. And this really helps out a whole lot. So let's kind of turn a little sideways here so you can see it here. You can see how far it comes out. So, and basically, now this is the HD. Basically what they do is this part here comes out more instead of the other ones kind of slope like that. So this just gives you slightly more space in the bed for bigger items. So that's the benefit of that. And again, this thing just flips into the bed. And with the little extras I added on there, that does clear very well. Let's go ahead and show you again. As you see, it works very nice. Now, if you like this product and you say, you know what, I would like to own this, on the bottom of the page will be a link for this that will take you basically right to my website, and you can purchase this right from us. And of course, we ship anywhere in the country here. Now you say, you know what, I'm a local guy and I kind of like Kristen or Dave to put this in. Come to our store. We have a beautiful showroom, and you can come visit us anytime, and we'd be more than glad to help you out. So let's go around here. And of course, if you like what you see, hit that little like button. We appreciate that. And of course, subscribe to our channel. Try and get that magic 1,000 subscribers. And we're moving along pretty good. But, we still need your help. We're not a celebrity here, so we don't have 1 million subscribers. We like to, if you can get 1,000, we'll be happy for a family-owned business. That is definitely a benefit to us. And again, this is Chris doing a review of Amp Research, the Bed Extender HD. Thank you.